Hello guys and welcome back. So today we are going to discuss how to create users with limited access. Basically, you don't want to give unfettered access to any user in your AWS ecosystem because it can be very harmful and it can be very dangerous. Alright, so in this video what we are going to do is we are going to create a user. The user will have limited access and we will verify that the user has a limited access. Once we have verified that the user has a limited access, after that we are going to delete that user to make sure that our account is clean. All right, so as you can see, I'm already on the AWS console. What I'm going to do is the service that I'm interested in to create users is called IAM, Identity and Access Management. All right, so I'm going to IAM dashboard. The page is loading. All right, you can ignore the dashboard. So to create a new user, I'll have to go to user section on the left side and I have to add a new user, add users. Now I'll give a temporary name to the user, test user, and I'll click on enable console access because this is the access which is required to connect to the AWS cloud console. I will not auto generate password. I will click on custom password, click on next and add user to group. There is no group as such in my account and there is no permissions which I will be copying from one user to another. What I'm going to do is I'm going to attach existing managed policies. Alright, so what I want to do is I want to give administrator access to the new user that I have created. I will select the administrator access and I will click on next. And alright, as you can see over here, the username is test user, the password is custom password, and there's a requirement of password when the user will reset the password. And no need to give tags. Tags can be used to group users, but we don't need that for this video. Click on create user. The user is created. Alright, now the user has to go to this link. Okay, as you can see, this is the root user. However, the new user that we have created will have to go to this link to set their password. Alright, no problem. This is already. Alright, so this is the console where we have to enter the user credentials. So this is the user and this is the password that we had set. Click on sign in. Alright, so we have to provide the password, the old password. We have to set a new password. We am setting a new password. Confirm password change. Let the new password be changed, and now what we will see is we will try to see that this user should not have billing access. Let's see, does this user has billing access or not? Alright, so this user does not have billing access. What we are going to do is now we are going to log in. We are going to log out this user and we are going to log in from the root account. Alright, signing using root user email. Alright, so this is my root email. Alright. Alright, as you can see on my screen, I am already logged in as a root user. Your root user obviously has access to the billing information. What you're going to do is now we have verified that the user which we created, the new user that we created does not have access to billing, has administrative access, and this is how we understood how to create a user with limited access. All right. What we are going to do now is we are just going to delete the user we created just to clean our account. All right. Click on delete. Give the name of the user. And click on delete. Alright, now the user is deleted and our account is clean. Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked it, just let me know. That's all for today's video. Bye guys.